Hi guys, welcome to my video blog. So this is for the continuation of our previous topics. So our topic for today is PHP 7 strings. Okay. So a string is a sequence of characters like, for example, hello world. So PHP string functions. In this chapter, we will look at some commonly used functions to manipulate strings. So the get the length of a string. So the PHP strlength function returns the length of a string. So the example below returns the length of the string. For example, we have hello world. So the output of the code above will be 12. Okay, so to try this out, so let's try these examples. So let's create our project folder. So to create our project folder, we will go to the destination, the installation folder of the SAM, which is located here. Okay, to view the location, you select the folder and then click on the URL above. So you will then see the URL of the folder. Okay, so to create a project, you must go to the SAM folder, and inside htdocs you're going to create here your project folders. So our topic for today is about strings, so let's just name our project folder as string. Okay, so once again, inside your folder strings, we're going to save your PHP file here. Okay, so to create PHP files, you need a code editor. You can use Notepad or other code editors. Okay, for me, I'm using Notepad++. Okay, I will just look where is my Notepad++ located. Okay, so I will just make a shortcut icon on my taskbar so that I will not go to this directory again, to this location. Why? So this is my shortcut icon. Okay, so we will be using Notepad++ in creating this page. Okay, let's just cancel this. Okay, so we have a new document. So it is a best practice to save immediately your file. So let's save this as save it as, so you set your save as type as PHP, and then let's name it as, since our lesson for today is string, so I will name it as string. And then inside let's look for the folder that we have created a while ago, the strings folder. Okay, here we go. So we will be saving it as strings.php. We're now inside the folder of strings, so click on save. Okay, so we'll just have to try the code. Okay, PHP so echo to output str then hello world. Okay, So the output of this will be 12. Save, Control S to save. And then to test our web page, we need to run the sum application. X, A, and B. Okay. So after running the application, you need to start the following. Okay, you need to start Apache, MySQL, and FileZilla. Okay, let's just wait for a moment. After everything has started, you go to your browser and you type localhost. Okay, let's wait for the browser to start. Okay, type on localhost slash. What happened? So localhost and then slash strings. Okay, so here is your PHP file. Click on it so that it will run on your browser, and output will be 11. So let's see what went wrong. There's no letter D, so it counts. It's really 11. Okay, let's edit it and save. Let's refresh our browser. Okay, so let's try another word. Let's say, for example, guapo. Okay, let's save it, then refresh, and it will count again. It is 13. Let's see, let's count if it is 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, including the space, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's really 13. And it will include the space. Now, so how about, okay, let's proceed on our presentation. So, count the number of words in a string. Okay, the PHP str word count function counts the number of words in a string. Okay, for example, echo str underscore words underscore count hello world. So it will output 2 since there are 2 words. So let's try this out. Okay, we will just add this code, echo str len okay, let's save it. We'll edit the str length. We will be using the str word count function. There we go. Save. Then let's run it. It's 3. Wait, I'll be adding maybe let's just put a VR. I forgot to how to go to next line. Just make this as another paragraph. Let's see if it's work. Yes, there. Okay, so the length of ang guwapo ko is 13 and there are 3 words. Okay, so let's continue. So how to reverse a string? So the PHP strrev function reverse a string. Example, echo strrev hello world outputs its reverse order. Okay, so let's drag in the code. So let's make a line break again so that it will reverse it. So echo strrev, then okay, well, of course it will not output ang pangit ko here. Okay, it will output the reverse order, not ang pangit ko. Okay, let's save it. Then let's try to run the code. If you take note, we're using the same file. So there you go. Ang guwapo ko. Okay, it's not ang pangit ko. Okay, next. So search for a specific text within a string. The PHP strpost function searches for specific text within a string. If a match is found, the function returns the character position of the first match. If no match is found, it will return false. The example below searches for the text word in the string hello world. Okay, so echo strpost hello world. So it will output 6. Why it's gonna output 6? Because 6. The output of the code above will be 6. The first character position in a string is 0, not 1. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, including the space, and then 6. Okay, so 6 with the letter W. Okay, so it will output the first letter of the word you're searching for. For example, let's try this out. Okay, let's put a break again. show str cross, then hello. Let's try our example about go then we're going to search for ko or guapo. Okay, and then end of the statement. Let's try the code. Click on save, then refresh. Okay, it outputs 4 y4. So 0 1 2 3 4. So it's correct. So how about if we do not have, okay, so how about if we're searching mo, which is not included in the words, following words. So I already saved it by pressing Ctrl S, and then let's refresh our page. It says here it will return false. Okay, there is no output because it is false. Okay, let's continue. So replace text within a string. The PHP str replace function replaces some characters with some other characters in a string. The example below replaces the text word with dolly. Example str replace world dolly hello world. Okay, so syntax here you're going to put the word that is included here, which are going to replace, and then put the word that it will replace it. So let's try the following code. This time we'll be using the same code. Okay, let's just copy and paste it here. So we will make use of str replace function, and then so let's replace the word guapo with the word pangit. Okay, then comma. Okay, let's save it. So let's see what will it show. Only variables can be passed by reference. We have an error. Okay, there is another. So just delete this. Save and then refresh. Okay, so here we go. The word guapo is or was replaced by pangit. Okay, so that's how replace function works. Okay, so that ends my presentation. So that's how string works, the different function of string, which are the replace function, and then reverse string, then the word count, and then the str length, which count the length of the string. So that's it for the tutorial PHP strings. Okay, thank you. I hope you learn a lot. So stay tuned and watch for my other videos. Thank you.